Oh, mukulu tasobya, blah blah blah, tata wo tasobya. Who said?
Mbu omukulu tasobya ebyo Abba abigaanye naye nga gwe ky'oba omanya leero azze kuyuzaayoza agenze n'abeera nga addamu Uncle Weasel azzeemu full figure azzeemu Bajjo ate era n'addamu ne Kasuku n'abeera nga buli omu ate amuwa ebibye naye nga mukwana welcome to my channel. This is Patricia's latest and it is Trisha here. Njagala mbeere nga te nkwa reactions za Abba Marcus ku bigambo byagenze ng'agambibwa mu bantu ab'enjawulo.
Oh, mukulu tasobya, blah blah blah, tata wo tasobya. Who said? Who said? Who said that? Kantu Anambi said that. That's why we're still doing that. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense at all. It does not make sense. It's not even this generation. It's just generally. Who said that mukulu tasobya? Do you know how many times I've heard that? Oh, respect your grandparents, blah blah blah. Give due respect. Yo, wake up. It's 2025. We're going into 2025. Respect is earned, not given. There's never once, bro. Let me not even say that on here, bro. But look, right and wrong has no age. It's either right or wrong. They're not gonna be like, oh, he was wrong, but he's 10 years older than the guy that was right, so that means he's right.
Eno reaction eddako kwe kubeera nga teyabadde ali mu kuddamu Bajjo gwe ky'oba omanya omwana kye yabakoze. This is so different. Era agambye nze kati mpuze, I'm no longer a kid, I'm grown up, so
Abba kiwumba tutudugwo kyanaggwe naawe gwe mukazi gwe Daniela nze sivangayo kwambala naye oli musiru togenda kufunayo taata wa Abba mulala gwe nawe Abba togenda kufunayo kitaawe omulala atali Chameleon embwaggwe.
Mbwagwe. Look at his head. Look at his head.
N'osituka n'okusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil. Kyagambye mu jjajja awagula they are evil. Bwe bagamba taata.
Let me tell you guys something real quick. The quickest way to know people, well, the quickest way to know that someone is not intellectually up there is if they have to yell to deliver their point. Look at how he's yelling. He's just screaming like as if the person that's interviewing him is not right in front of him.
Kitaawe omulala atali Chameleon embwaggwe.
Look at him.
N'osituka n'okusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil. Kyagambye mu jjajja awagula they are evil. Bwe bagamba taata bw'alifa tulijeera. Gwe mbizi gwe Abba oli kyana kitaata enkuzaala.
Me busy. Me. Zen busy. Me. I'm the busy. Hey God. I don't even have to say anything. I don't even have to say anything. I know. Look at him. I don't have to say nothing. I don't. What? I don't have to say nothing. Look. See? That's exactly what I'm talking about.
ate mulowooza Kasuku ye yalutonze bw'ati agenze n'awuliriza mu Kasuku ate era n'avaayo n'awa opinion ye oba n'amuddamu okusinziira ku Kasuku bye yayogera.
Bubalowooza nti taata yali talina kyakola naye nga the went to the best schools gye baakulira muyenga nga n'emmotoka ebatwala ku ssomero nga buli kye baagala bakiina bw'omubuuza maama we yali akola mulimu ki.
Okay.
Oh, my mother.
Okay. So I'm not going to feel any type of way to hold anything back. I believe that this is a completely I know for a fact he doesn't explicitly mention me. But context clues lead me to decide that this is a message that concerns me and what my cause had to do and how I came on TikTok and dealt with my family business, okay? All these things that he's saying are valid points. You know what I'm saying? But it's nothing special. Let me give you guys an example. There's one type of person that I do not like. There's people that complain about paying their children's school fees. Oh, I'm broke. Nasasude school fees. I just pay school fees. Who asked you to pay school fees? It's a what's it called? It is a it's what we call bare minimum. Your father sending you to good schools, your father providing food on the table, your father providing for your family, right? Your father providing everything for you to grow up to be a better man than he was it's what we call bare minimum. Nobody, exactly, it's his obligation. Nobody should give him a round of applause. Nobody should give no father a round of applause. Oh, good job. Good job. You sent your children to school. You gave them good food. You put clothes on their body. They're doing good in life because of you. Oh, great job. Is that how low the bar has gotten? Tell me if I'm wrong. Is that how low the bar has gone? Because to me, that's responsibility.
Ate wekiza kufuufika agambye nammwe mulimba. You cannot tell me that a woman who looks like this nti omuntu atunula bw'ati nina nekyennyinza omuddamu. What?
She has nothing that is sensible that she's really saying. You know what I'm saying? And you can tell she's making a joke out of it. She doesn't even care for real. She's just opening her mouth and saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I was actually talking about this with my mom before I even came on here and started talking about the issues that were going on with, like, to do with my dad's health and stuff. She was telling me not to, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, nah, I gotta do this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how these problems, like, connect to her and why she has why she feels the authority to comment on stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at her, bro. Bro, look, let's be serious, y'all. Look, are you telling me that a woman that looks like this, I should take her serious? She goes to the point of embarrassing me on the internet, talking about I'm finna get a girl pregnant. I'm not a kid no more. That's why she's still stuck there. That's why Uganda is like this, because we have such uneducated people.
Nabagambye abaana bo bagenda beatinga the drum. Ndowooza wegambye ku beatinga drum mumanyi kyentegeeza. Amugambye mmwe okubeera ng'omuzadde otwala obuvunaanyizibwa bwo n'oweereza fiizi n'obeera ng'ate oliisa omwana, that's your responsibility. Obeera osuubira nnyo omulala agenda obikola nga gwe wamwezaalira. Hey, that is it for today. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tap the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.